So the e-learning is set to public access on the Learning Hub, and I see that Kim has put the QR code on there, which is brilliant. So this means that anyone with a general account can access it, so you don't need to have a full account. And you can create a general account by registering with any email address. So you don't need to be an NHS staff member. You don't need to have a work email address to create a general account. You do need to create an account though, so that you can access the e-learning. So I've just put together a few screenshots that show you how to do that, which you'll have in the slides after. Right, so next slide, please. So you start off, so I've just gone page by page, and on the e-learning platform, it asks you to register, and it tells you then what the required information that you need is, and that's it's just so the email address, the country, and current role. You don't need to have a professional role there. You can tick the option of carer. So if we go on to the next slide. So you have to enter your email address. Don't worry about the little bit of wording that says about a qualifying work email address. That's only for the full accounts. Just use any email address when you're creating an account. And next slide, please. And this just tells you that that if you do have a qualifying work email address, you can have a full account and access all other types of resources. But it says that it does allow you to have access to the learning community resources as a general user. Next slide. It then asks you to add your personal details. Next slide. And to search for your country, so you have to enter your country. Next slide. And it asks you to select your region. And then to search for your current role. But again, so for example, I put in the term public, and all of these things came up. So it doesn't have to be like a professional work role. So you could select public carer public, for example, or parent public, for example. Next slide. And then it just asks you to check your details. So check that the information that you've entered is correct. And it then creates a general user account for you and tells you success, you've created an account. And you then get an email address an email that has your username and link to create a password, and you're then able to log into the system, and you can access any of the resources that are set to public access, including this e-learning.